Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure listings by owner marketing strategies, full guide step by step clearly. To configure listings by owner marketing strategies, first, log into your listings by owner account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see your current listings. Select the listing you wish to promote or configure marketing strategies for. Review the current marketing settings to understand your baseline efforts. Identify your target audience by considering demographics and preferences. Research successful marketing strategies in your niche to gain insights. Choose appropriate platforms for your marketing, such as social media, email, and online classifieds. Decide on your messaging and key selling points that resonate with potential buyers. Create eye-catching visuals and descriptions that highlight your listings features. Set up your budget for promotions and consider which strategies require paid advertising. Implement a schedule for your marketing activities to maintain consistency. Monitor the performance of your strategies through analytics tools provided by ListingsByOwner. Analyze the data to see which channels are driving the most interest and engagement. Adjust your approach based on the insights gained from your analytical review. Test different marketing strategies to see which ones yield the best results. Continue to refine your listings and marketing tactics as needed to improve visibility and interest. Staying adaptable and responsive to market trends is crucial for success. Utilize customer feedback to enhance your marketing materials and strategies. Ensure compliance with local regulations and listings guidelines throughout your marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.